Good morning, yogis. Come to a comfortable seated position on your mat, turning your palms up toward the sky and close your eyes. Take a moment to slow your breath down. Inhale through your nose and exhale gently, sigh through your mouth. One more like this. Inhale through your nose and exhale gently, sigh. And then seal your lips and breathe in and out through your nose. Take a moment to set your intention for the day ahead. Hold on to this intention as you flow with your breath. Open your eyes and inhale, sweep your arms up, interlace your fingers, and bring your gaze up. Exhale, press your palms forward, round your spine. Inhale, reach up, gaze up. Exhale, palms forward, round. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, palms forward, round. Inhale, sit up tall, bring your hands to your knees, press your shoulders down and away from you. Exhale, twist, gaze over your right shoulder, bring your left hand to your right knee. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, twist, gaze over the left shoulder, right hand to your left knee. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, roll forward into your tabletop. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. Cat-cow, inhale, arch, drop your belly. Gaze forward, broaden through your collarbones. Exhale, round, tuck your tailbone. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, come to neutral, belly in. Exhale, extend your left leg behind you and press into your left toes so you feel a stretch through the back of the left thigh. Lift your left leg, flex through the left ankle, and then stay here or extend your right fingertips forward, imagining a nice straight line of energy from your right fingertips to the sole of your left foot. Waking up your core. Exhale, release. Switch sides, extend your right leg back. Press into your toes, feel the stretch through the back of the right thigh. And then lift the right leg, keep flexing through your ankle. You can stay here, extend your left fingertips forward, creating that nice balance. Breathing deep. Exhale, release. Come to extended child's pose. Bring your knees as wide as your mat, big toes touching. And sink your hips towards your heels. Extending your arms in front of you, maybe your forehead touches the earth. Breathing deep. Come back to your intention that you set for the day. and visualize exactly how you'd like your day to go. Using the power of your mind to make your intentions reality. Inhale, come to a tabletop. Tuck your toes. Exhale, down dog. Send your hips up and back. You're in a nice inverted V. You can pedal out your feet if you'd like for this first one. Bending one knee and then the other. Just awakening your body here. Listening to your own needs. If you're pedaling out your dog, come to a static down dog. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Crawl your hands back towards your feet, coming to ragdoll at the back of your mat. Grab your elbows and allow your head to hang, slight bend in your knees. If it feels good in your body, you can just sway gently from side to side. Slowly come back to center. Inhale, roll up to standing. And exhale, roll your shoulders back at the top, coming to your mountain pose. We'll take some half sun salutations. Inhale, reach your arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hinge from your hips, fold forward. Place your hands outside your feet. The crown of your head falls toward the earth. Inhale to a halfway lift. Bring your hands to your shins, lengthen your spine. Belly in, engage your core. Exhale, forward fold. Release the forehead, or crown of the head rather, back toward the earth. Inhale, reverse swan dive, flat back. Come all the way to standing. Reach up. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Inhale, reach up. Imagine positive energy filling your body here. And as you exhale, fold forward, release what no longer serves you, allowing this to be a moving meditation. Inhale to a halfway lift, bring in that positive energy, lengthen your spine. Exhale, forward fold, release, and let go. Inhale, reverse swan dive. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to your shins, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reverse swan dive. Exhale, hands to your hearts. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen your spine. This time, bend your knees and walk back to down dog. Walking your hands forward. Take a deep breath in. And a full breath out. Inhale, lift your right leg. Flex your foot, square your hips. Exhale, step your right foot between your hands, low lunge, lower your left knee down to the ground. And inhale, reach your arms up toward the sky. Stack your right knee over your right ankle. Inhale, exhale, frame your right foot, tuck the left toes, step back to down dog. Take a deep breath in and a full breath out. Option to stay here or take a vinyasa or a flow. Inhale, come forward to high plank. Exhale, lower halfway or all the way down. You can always come to your knees. Inhale to up dog or cobra. Lift your chest. Exhale, we'll meet in downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg. Exhale, step your left foot between your hands. Low lunge, lower your right knee down. And inhale, lift your arms up toward the sky. Stack your left knee over your left ankle. Exhale, frame your left foot, tuck your right toes, step back to down dog. Deep breath in, full breath out. Option to stay here or take your vinyasa. Inhale forward to high plank. Exhale, lower halfway or all the way down. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lower down to tabletop and make your way onto your bum. Bring the soles of your feet together for your butterfly here. Sit up tall. You can stay right here if this is enough for you, or you can exhale, begin to fold forward, maybe grab your feet and use your elbows to press your thighs closer to the earth. Exhale, slowly release, and come back to that comfortable cross-legged position. You can stay here meditating for a few minutes, visualizing how you want your day to go, or you can lay down if that's more comfortable for you. If you enjoyed this practice, please subscribe or become a member of this channel. This is where I'll leave you.